Right, so one of the questions I get a lot from people is, please can you help me understand the use of the gerund and the use of the infinitive? When can I use one, when can I use the other, or is it possible to use both of them? And it's not an easy question to answer because there are many possibilities. So to help answer those questions, I've created a series, or I'm creating a series of videos based on those issues between the gerund and the infinitive. So this is one of those videos. Okay, we're going to focus today in this session on the verb avoid, which can be used as an imperative and it also uses the gerund. So listen to the following examples. Avoid drinking too much. Avoid eating bad food. Avoid driving too fast. Okay, those three examples are imperatives. We'll use avoid the infinitive, but it's followed directly with the gerund, which is like the activity. You could also express it slightly differently. For example, to avoid a hangover, don't drink so much. To avoid a speeding ticket, drive slower. Okay, in those two examples, we're using the negative form with the infinitive, so don't drink, don't drive. You can also give, that was more of an imperative, but you can also give a recommendation. If you want to avoid a hangover, you shouldn't drink so much. If you want to avoid a speeding ticket, drive slower. Now there is a separate video out there on different uses of should. In this particular case, or these two examples, I've used as a recommendation. In addition, you can also use avoid with a noun. Okay, for example, to avoid problems, make sure you have all of the information. To avoid misunderstandings, make sure everything is clear. In fact, I think I said before about to avoid a hangover. Well, avoid a hangover. Hangover is also a noun. Okay, so it's quite an interesting word. You can use avoid with nouns, with gerunds, and also the infinitives, and you can use it with should also. Well, that's it for this short video. Please don't forget, if you would like to leave a comment below about this video or suggest any other videos that could be useful to you, do so in the comments. Also, if you have your own examples that you feel other people could use for themselves, share them below too. That would be great. So for now, I'm going to say go practice some English, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!